Happy birthday, Amara. May your first birthday be as adorable and special as you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amara! Stay beautiful always. Love you. Mwah.
Every word I read, it leads me straight to you. Every page that turns, oh, you
Happy birthday, Amara! Alam kong lalaki kang magandang bata. Pag-uusayan mo, pag nag-aral ka, maging mabuti kang bata, maging maayos, at magalang.
Before we start our birthday party celebration, all the guests, are you ready?
Happy birthday, Mara! God bless you! Tuloy-tuloy ang birthday, lifetime. Maraming salamat sa iyong pamilya. Thank you. Happy birthday!
as the sky is far and wide. Endless as the land beneath the starry night. Let's fall into a dream that never has to end. We'll open up our eyes and do it all again.
Happy birthday,
Amara. God bless you. God bless you. Bye. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Amara.
Wish ko sa'yo, sa inyong lahat naman na healthy, tsaka lumaki kang maging mabuting bata, and may faith kay Lord.
Pagka 22 mo, wala ka pang asawa, may plus 2M ka sa akin. Promise yan.
Inflation, maliit na yun.
Maliit na yun. 5M. Okay, go.